What's up guys, it's Daniel here with your second stimulus check update. In this video, I'm going to go over some important information about the $1,200 second stimulus check. So if you're new to my channel, please hit the like button as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And subscribe so you don't miss out on my weekly videos. So it looks like there is the potential for a larger stimulus package to be passed, which is good as it will most likely include the $1,200 stimulus check. On Friday, it was reported that President Trump would sign a relief package up to the amount of $1.3 trillion, which is $200 billion more than before, whilst Nancy Pelosi has agreed to a $2.2 trillion relief package, which is about $200 billion less than before. So this is a lot closer than it was just a few weeks ago, which is good news. So let's hope they can come to an agreement soon. There has also been talk of a skinny bill, which is approximately $500 billion, or $500 billion. The only problem with this is that it probably won't allow for a $1,200 stimulus check to qualified Americans. To cover just the stimulus checks for everybody that qualifies, including dependents, they will need approximately $400 billion. The Treasury Secretary, Steve Mnuchin, has implied that once an agreement has been made between the Democrats and the Republicans, the checks could be issued by the IRS within a week, which is a lot quicker than the first checks were issued. Now this is quite a change from the Republicans from just a few weeks ago, and this may be because of the impending election. As there is still uncertainty when the stimulus checks will actually be passed, some local governments have decided to make payments to residents, one of which is Seminole County in Florida, which have announced that they will be providing up to $7 million in individual grants. On Wednesday the 26th of this month, they actually started allowing applications from people who have been adversely affected by the pandemic. And it is reported that some residents can receive up to a $5,000 payment. Now it is important to know that this is not a second stimulus check, and all money that is received must be used for general living expenses such as paying for your mortgage or paying for your rent. The eligibility for this relief package is limited, so if you do happen to live there, I suggest applying as soon as possible. So I've put a link down in the description below where you can apply. I assume that more states will follow this example soon, so I'll keep you updated if and when they do. So that's just a quick rundown of what's going on with the second stimulus check and when it might get passed. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions at all, please leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And as always, please like and subscribe.